There's my snake for the day. Wow, that is a big one. He's a black phase. It's ease around here. We'll leave him alone. Holy crap. Okay. I am not going to bother you, buddy. He's coiling up. I'm not going to get you. Rattlesnakes don't usually chase you. Look at him coiling up in a ball. That is my first rattlesnake for the year. He is coiling into a defensive position. Watch, his head will come around. That one scared the heck out of me. I have a big stick, so I can flick him out of the way. But he went back to sleep. I think he was laying in the sun there taking a nap. Well, that got my blood going. Snakes like to lay on the rocks in the sun. It helps them digest their food, which up here is basically rodents, mice, chipmunks, and squirrels. So when you're walking along like this, keep an eye down. He was laying there in the corner. That'll teach me to stare at my GoPro and not look down.